Hello, fellow WordPress enthusiasts. So let me present to you Aimogen, a WordPress plugin which will connect to AI providers to generate posts, automatically edit your posts which are published to your WordPress site, and also add a chatbot to your site's front end. So let us get started and let me show you how to set it up. So after you installed it and activated, go to settings, and directly in the API keys you can add your API key provider API key of choice. So if you have an OpenAI API key and you want to use OpenAI to generate content and its models, you can add the key here. Also, if you want to switch from OpenAI from Azure or other OpenAI compatible APIs, you can do it from here. If you want to use XAI, Anthropic Claude, Google AI Studio, Perplexity, Grok, NVIDIA, OpenRouter, Hugging Face, or Ollama, you will be able to do this also by adding your API keys. So note that there is no requirement in which API provider you can use. You can switch from one to another as you want by simply adding your API key, and the plugin will be able to connect to the provider. Also, there are some image generator AI providers which are listed here below. So after you added your API key, you can go ahead and create your first post. So if you want to know how to get your API key, simply click on the links from each. So after this, go to single AI post creator, and here it is very simple. You can set a topic for which you want to create a post, but before this, be sure to check the content parameters, set the language and writing style, writing tone you want to use. And for example, let's write dogs and cats, and we can generate a title or we can generate all. So let's hit generate all, and it will generate title, sections, post content, excerpt. Instead, we can also generate a title, then manually generate sections, generate content, and so on. So we have a title, we will have also sections, we will have a post content generated, afterwards excerpt, and we will be able to publish the post. So until this is working, let me show you how the plugin can be configured. So we can set a post type, post status, sticky, author, post publish date, categories, tags, set a featured image, the content parameters I showed you, the model settings, you can set the model you wish to use, and also prompts, you can change the prompts which the plugin will use for creating the title, sections, content, and so on. So after everything is created, we can set also a featured image from here by using the media library, or simply uploading our file, and we can click create post afterwards, and we can go ahead and edit our created posts. And here it is, the created post for us as we created it. So we can edit the title, and there might be small mistakes of the AI providers. So let's remove the duplicate title, and we are good to go. We can also add it here to do it uppercase, and it is done. We can publish it, and our first AI written post is live on our site. Be sure to go to your WordPress AI dashboard and check the next feature. So AI content editor is the main feature of the plugin besides of the single AI post creator. So this will allow you to automatically edit any published posts which are published to your site. So you can rewrite the content, you can edit post titles. So let me set this to disable by default, and let me show you how to use this. So if you want to edit post titles, you can enable this feature, and if you want to also rewrite the post URL with the modified title, click this, and set here a prompt which will edit the post title. So rewrite the article title from below to make it more engaging. This is default prompt, but you can change it any way you wish. So after this is done, you can set also a post content prompt and write a prompt on how to edit the post content. You can set the models which will be used for editing and save settings. So after you save this, we can go to automatic editing and enable automatic editing of any published post with a small delay after publishing. And you can enable also which posts to automatically edit. You can filter by post type, custom post types, and other categories, tags, and author IDs, and many options. So after this is done and here you save settings, all posts which are published on your site will be also automatically edited by AI using the template that you set up here. So it will have its title edited using this prompt and its content edited using this other prompt. So also you will have an existing content editing feature which will allow the plugin to run the template on each existing post and edit their title and content. So you will be able to automatically edit existing posts using these features. So you can do it manually using the run post editing button or automatically using a cron job. So here are also filters which allow you to filter which posts are edited from your site. There are many filters you can set, and you can filter by post name, ID, category type, post type. So if you want to edit products, simply edit product here and the plugin will do its job. Just be sure to save settings, and after you save settings, you have to run post editing if you want to manually do it. Or you can use a cron job to automatically do this in the background. So number of posts to process is 1, and each time we run this, one post, in this case one product, will be automatically processed using the template manager from here. Also, the chatbot is a very powerful feature of the plugin. So here we can set up our own chatbot and it will be able to use personas, and we can set up configuration, set up avatars for the chatbot. So you can have here many configurations set up, and it is really powerful. So we can have also a global chatbot and user interface where we will be able to set username and how the chatbot will behave and the buttons will work. Also, a styling menu will be able to style the chatbot colors and how it will look. Let me show you how it is working. Hi. So simply say hi to the chatbot and it will be able to reply using this. So if you want to edit bot configuration, you can change the model that the chatbot uses. Also add a name, a context. This is very useful to allow the chatbot to know what it should do. So here in the context, you should write what exactly is the role of the chatbot. So if it is a support agent, write here detailed info about what exactly should it do and what is its role. Also, you can set an initial message, you can set an avatar, and you can set personas. If you want to set personas, here are some personas. If you want, you can import default personas, and importing default personas might take a while, but this should be finished if you have a fast server. So the personas are imported. After this, we can go to bot configuration and we can simply click on a persona, and the persona configuration will be set in the plugin settings, and we have to save settings now, and it will be applied also to our chatbot, and Amelia will reply which She is an artist and she knows what is your job. And now Amelia will reply to us that she is an AI assistant. My job is to help you with cast questions and help tasks, summarizing, brainstorming, and troubleshooting. So, but she is an AI assistant artist. Yeah. Okay, so we can also enable global chatbots. So global chatbots can be set to the front end, back end, or both. So we can enable for the front end or even both, for example, and save settings. And this will allow us to set a global chatbot. Let me move myself out of the way here. And here it is. This is the global chatbot icon. So after we show this here, we will be able to go also the front end and view the chatbot. If people click on this chatbot icon, a chatbot will appear for them and it will be able to work and tell people what and help them with what they want. So this is very useful feature. AI assistants, this is a deprecated feature from OpenAI and they are not using it anymore. It will be removed soon from the plugin. So this is the basic functionality of the plugin. This is the tutorial video for it. Let me know what you think of this plugin. I hope you will find it useful. Also, if you want to go one step or many steps forward, you can check Aimogen Pro, which is an upgrade for this plugin, and it will be able to do many more stuff than the free version. So this is it installed, and we can see besides of the single AI post creator, it has the bulk AI post creator, which will create posts in bulk automatically for you using a simple topic or simple titles. Also, it has YouTube feature, listicle, product roundup from Amazon, and review, CSV feature, omniblocks, which are very cool, advanced feature, content editor from also the free version, but in a very detailed and more complex way, chatbot with more features and settings, and many other stuff which you can find here. So it is linked in this video description. So yeah, this is all for this tutorial video. I hope you will find Aimogen useful, and yeah, this is all. Bye bye.